Juana Maritajo. Juana Maritajo. I hope she's still sending those. Please, please, please. I can't see any. Hi, Rod. Oh, look on Facebook. Yeah, I am finding to. I am trying to find one because our dog died. Our dog died. And then my brother is really stressed. He's been crying and crying and crying. My gosh, my brother is 27 years old now, but he loves that dog so much. And he messaged me and then told me to find a dog we can adopt or we can buy. But I gotta find some. I know someone who are selling dogs, and it's very cheap because some of the breeders would sell the dogs really expensive, like for like 5,000 and so. I only afford 1.5. 1.5 pesos. Or maybe we can just adopt because I don't have a budget right now. Thank you for the suggestion, Arjun. Do you love dogs too? Do you love dogs too? Hello, Jonathan. We are all dog lovers here. No, we're all dog lovers here. And we have 4 dogs and 5 cats. And then the other one died. The youngest one. We adopted that dog from somewhere here in our barangay. And the dog is like Aspin, Asong Pinoy, from the Philippines, of course. Asong Pinoy. Hi, Jim once. I think I found one. Doesn't have a in the account. His account is locked.